Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to never get angry. We all experience anger, but it doesn't have to control us. This easy method offers practical steps to manage your reactions and cultivate a calmer mindset. By understanding your triggers and applying simple techniques, you can significantly reduce angry outbursts. Imagine feeling more in control, even in challenging situations. This approach focuses on building resilience and fostering a sense of inner peace, helping you navigate daily life with greater ease and composure. Identifying your personal anger triggers is a crucial first step. Think about what consistently sets you off. Is it traffic, certain comments, or feeling disrespected? Pay close attention to the physical sensations, like a racing heart or tense shoulders, that precede anger. Try keeping a simple journal for about 7 days, noting down instances and their causes. This awareness allows you to anticipate and prepare, giving you a significant advantage in managing your emotional state before it escalates. Once you recognize a trigger, it's time to implement calming techniques. A powerful method is deep breathing. Inhale slowly for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6, repeating for about 60 seconds. If possible, physically remove yourself from the situation for at least 5 minutes. Challenge your initial negative thoughts by asking if there's another way to view the situation. Engaging in a quick, distracting activity, like counting backward from 100 by threes, can also shift your focus effectively. To sustain a peaceful mindset, consistent effort is key. Incorporate 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation into your daily routine to improve emotional regulation. Regular physical activity, like a brisk walk for 30 minutes on most days, significantly reduces stress. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as fatigue often lowers your anger threshold. Finally, try to cultivate empathy. Understanding others' viewpoints can dramatically lessen feelings of frustration and promote a more harmonious outlook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.